To use GoDaddy Website Builder, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and navigating to the Website Builder section. Once there, click on the Create a Website button to begin the process. You will be prompted to choose a template from a variety of options, including business, blog, and online store. Select a template that best fits your needs and click Next. Next, you will be asked to enter your website details, including the website name, tagline, and contact information. Fill in the required fields and click Next to proceed. You will then be taken to the Website Builder dashboard, where you can customize your website using the drag-and-drop editor. The drag-and-drop editor allows you to add and arrange elements on your website, including text, images, and videos. To add an element, simply drag it from the sidebar to the page and drop it where you want it to appear. You can then customize the element by clicking on it and using the options that appear. One of the key concepts to understand when using GoDaddy Website Builder is the idea of sections and rows. Sections are the main areas of your website, such as the header, footer, and main content area. Rows are the horizontal divisions within a section, and can be used to add multiple elements side by side. To add a new section, click on the Add Section button at the bottom of the page. To add a new row, click on the Add Row button within a section. You can then add elements to the row and arrange them as needed. In addition to adding elements and customizing the layout, you can also use the Website Builder to add features such as contact forms, maps, and social media links. To do this, click on the Features tab in the sidebar and select the feature you want to add. Best practices for using GoDaddy Website Builder include keeping your website simple and easy to navigate, using high-quality images and videos, and optimizing your website for search engines. To optimize your website for search engines, click on the Settings tab and select the SEO option. From there, you can enter your website keywords and description, and customize your website title and meta tags. You can also use the built-in analytics tool to track your website traffic and performance. Overall, GoDaddy Website Builder is a powerful tool that makes it easy to create a professional-looking website without any technical expertise. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a website that effectively promotes your business and attracts new customers.